Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Raven Aaliyah, nice to meet you. If you're new here, hey friend, join Raven Gang. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look, and by this look I mean how I installed this wig. This wig is a 4x4 closure 20-inch wig, natural black color, density is 150, and it was sent to me by an Amazon company named Makati. Y'all should check them out because I'm not gonna lie, for this to only be like 150, first of all, let's talk about minimal shedding. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Yeah, the wig is soft, it's nice, it was easy to bleach and pluck, and I'm not gonna lie y'all, it looks so good on me. And for a 4x4 closure, I will say it had a nice amount of parting room. As y'all can see, I finessed the little side part, and come on y'all, it's giving scalp tease. Stop trying to clock the lace because you can't, period. So I'm gonna show y'all how I installed this wig, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright guys, so what you see me doing here is just cutting off the ends of the lace, like, you know, where it's kind of like that finished stitching, and then combing the wig back so that way I have a flat foundation to start with. Period. That's magic. Now I'm going to spray the lace with the lace adhesive spray, kind of like push it down with the rat tail part of my comb through the hair a little bit so the hairs don't get stuck, and then repeat the same process with the blow dryer. Emphasis on combing the hair to make sure the hair doesn't get stuck to the lace. See how it's kind of giving scalp already. We love that, period. I'm gonna go back in with the spray just to give it a little extra snug layer, and then I'm gonna hit it again with the tail of the rat tail comb just to kind of like melt that down, comb it through a little bit, and hit it with the blow dryer again. I'm gonna comb the hair back just to make sure that there are no flyaways getting stuck down into the lace. Now I'm gonna use my band, and I'm just gonna tie down the lace and then adjust the band so that way it's comfortable for wear. While the lace is melting underneath the band, I'm gonna go in and just start parting my hair. I decided I wanted a side part, so I'm gonna part the hair. What I use to tint my lace is the Eben lace tinting spray in the color medium dark brown, because girl, it's magic in a bottle. Yes girl. That's how I got scalp. That's what it gave. Now I'm gonna use the Style Factor Edge Booster hair pomade stick just to go over my part before I hit it with a hot comb to make sure that it's really laid. Okay, so I did try this new bleaching method I saw on TikTok, and it did make the knots a little over bleached. So what you see is me going in with the Kiss Colors Quick Cover Root Touch Up and the color dark brown just to fix that. Thanks. So now I'm taking off the band, and I know y'all see the girl is giving scalp already. Ain't even cut the lace and it look like it's mine. We love shit like that, period. When I cut my lace, I like to use an eyebrow eraser just because I feel like it gives a more rigid cut, which comes off like more natural for the hairline. Alright, so I have an alcohol cotton pad. Yeah, heat protecting thermal spray. Now I'm going to flat iron the hair just so that way it doesn't look so frizzy and messy. So we could speed through this process. Now that I finished flat ironing the hair, I'm gonna remove the band, go over my hairline with alcohol one more time just to remove any excess glue or residue that might have been left over. Go over the part one more time with the pomade stick and the hot comb, and then when I finish that, I'm going to put some frizz control serum just to make sure all the flyaways stay down, period. I think for closure, it did pretty damn good. Like, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp, guys. I know y'all see it. It's giving scalp. Clock my lace. You can't. Period. Okay, guys. Yeah, so that was my process. As y'all can see, this is basically what I would call a glueless install because I didn't use any glue. I did use my Eben lace adhesive spray. So yeah, it's snug and tug. You probably, with no sweat, minimal sweat, you'll probably get a good 3-4 days wear out of this. If you sweaty, I don't know, maybe like a 1 or 2 day, might have to go in and refresh. But I chose to do my wig glueless because I wanted the freedom to be able to just take it off without all the extra that comes with it when you glue it down. But I also wanted to feel like it was snug and tug. It's not just gonna go nowhere. This wig did come with 4 clips on the inside, 1 here, 2 here, 1 back. I left the clip in the back. I took all other 3 clips out, and then instead where the 2 clips were here, I put a band just to give me an extra little snug. The wig is a medium cap size, so it did fit perfectly, kinda. I like the extra snug that gives me the feeling of security. But yes, guys, that is how I installed this lovely wig. Check out Makati. First of all, thank y'all for sending me this wig because, girl, yes, Scalpiana. We love that. And it's a closure. Ooh, so you know it's a quick and easy install because frontals, I ain't have to worry about the ear tabs, none of that. And we're situated. So if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, friend, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Leave me a comment, tell me how y'all felt about this video, if y'all want to see more install videos, because I can do more. I usually don't do them because I don't know, I don't be thinking about it when I be putting on my wig, but today I did it. So if y'all want more install videos, leave a comment below and let me know. How did y'all feel about this install? Do y'all like it? Do y'all not like it? Is this a method y'all do? Do y'all do something differently? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, and like I always say, much love as always. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.